something in the house. What was I going to do? I was going to take something to the house from out here, and I can't remember what it was now. Huh. Well, I really need to. I've got a stool somewhere out here to sit on, but I don't know where that is. But once I get that set up and I get my workbench all set up over here, then I'll be able to, you know, do a few little workbench projects and have some close-ups and have you guys go through a few things with me, because I've got some projects I want to work on, and I'd like to share those with you. All right, and I'm going to be working on that room up there, and I don't know if I told you this or not, but I'm going to be taking that light, this light, and that's actually a light specific. The bulbs in there are specific for plants. But anyway, I'm going to be taking that in there and putting it in that room. And this spring, early spring, I'm going to be having some little heat pads with some trays of, the dirt with the seeds in them, and be, sprouting them in there. But I got a lot of work to do in there. I got a ceiling that's leaking in there and in here. So I got to fix those leaks, and all that drywall that's on the ceiling in there, all that has to come out. And all the stuff that's in there, and that room goes all the way back to there and goes that way all the way back to here. So it's a good sized room in there. And there's also a closet back in there. So I'm going to be doing some work on that, turning it into an area where I start plants early in the year, and also maybe put some woodworking tools in there as well. But I don't want to have electricity going in there if the roof is leaking. But once I get that roof fixed, then I'll set that up as my woodworking shop. So I'll have my woodworking shop up in there, and out here be my mechanic shop, working on cars and doing different projects and things. All right. Every time I come out here, I don't know what it is, but my nose starts running. And I always forget to bring a Kleenex with me. But, anyway, stick with me. Come back, watch some of my videos. And I'll be getting, over the fall and the winter time, I'll be doing some projects out here. And hopefully you guys will stick with me and be able to, see some of that. But wish me luck on my projects, and I'll talk to you later. Give me some thumbs up and make a few comments and subscribe. I think I need to stop saying all that. I don't know, it's just something I started doing. But anyway, whenever I get into doing my projects, I'm just going to do projects. I'm not going to worry about asking for subscribers or thumbs up or comments. I'll just let you guys just pitch in there and do whatever you want to do. All right, talk to you later. Bye.